In today's episode of Homestead How, we show you a real day in the life of a homesteader. We'll show you what it's like homesteading and have a lot of fun along the way. Enjoy the show, filmed on the last day of 2019. Typically, Jen and the girls do the morning chores, but it's New Year's Eve, so it's a special day. Our heaviest chore involves heating our home with our outdoor wood burner. We typically stock it up twice per day. I'm trying to be quiet because we have some guests renting our Airbnb unit out upstairs. Now I gotta load this thing up. Most of our other chores revolve around caring for our animals. In wintertime, we need to carry water out to our goats and chickens. They drink a lot of water when it's this cold out. It's a long, cold walk out here to give the goats and chickens their water. In the summertime, it's a lot easier because we have an underground line that runs out here, but it tends to freeze up in the winter, so we do it by bucketful. We've got 2 chicken coops on our homestead. This red one is the original. I'm going to give these chickens some water, and then head on over to the goats and give them some water, and lastly over to our newer chicken tractor to give them their water. I'm sure the guests are sound asleep, but I am trying to be quiet. Unfortunately, it seems like I'm disturbing our rooster this morning, and he keeps making a bunch of racket. Not much I can do about that. The guests do realize that they are renting a working homestead. Later this afternoon, Jen is picking up a bunch of hay for the goats. We have heated watering bowls for the goats, but the top of it tends to freeze up. Morning, boys. So another hat that we really enjoy wearing on our homestead is being a YouTuber. We really enjoy putting these YouTube videos out. We've been doing it for almost 5 years now, and it's been a blast. So if you're enjoying this video, we put a lot of work into it, walking back and forth. I'm filming all of this morning here by myself. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, post about us on Facebook. It helps us out, and we really appreciate it. In the winter, we store hay and feed in our greenhouse. Currently, the greenhouse door is blocked with snow and frozen shut. And we got hit with a lot of snow last night. I need to plow the driveway and make sure it's passable. Come on now. There you go. We've got a very long driveway. When we first got our homestead, we purchased a large tractor, but it was absolutely miserable trying to plow the driveway in the cold winters we have here in Wisconsin. I found this plow truck on the side of the road, and it works great, and the heat works. Before heading inside to get some work done on my computer, I gather our meal for lunch. I work from home as a digital marketer. What does that mean? I help companies improve their website rankings, generate more traffic, with the goal of growing their business. Jen also works in our digital marketing business. She also manages our Airbnb rental and has her own crafting business. As homesteaders, we wear many hats. This morning, Jen is making us lunch. We usually don't eat breakfast, but we like to eat breakfast foods for lunch, especially with the girls on break from school. Nothing better than farmed fresh eggs. After lunch, more work for me. Chores are more fun with the Argo and with Katie helping me. This little building is our portable chicken tractor. It's basically a chicken coop on wheels. It's much easier to clean out compared to our old chicken coop. Oh, he's mad I'm moving his house. She. You're all cleaned out, lady.
There's an egg on the ground.
Sit on that egg. Make yourself useful. Now we gotta try to get some of the water off our driveway. We had like 4 days of rain here. Our driveway was completely flooded, and now we woke up to snow. We have some guests staying in our Airbnb rental up there tonight, and I don't want them to get their vehicles stuck in our driveway because it's kind of like a trap. There's a big, huge pond of water and then a layer of snow over the top of it. So we're gonna try to clear out some of that water with the Argo. We have 2 dogs coming to stay in our dog kennel soon. Our portable solar trailer, which we built in a previous episode, is working well to power this building and keeping a nice charge. Clearing the water with this Argo could be called a chore, but in reality, we're just having some fun.
Did it work? No, it didn't.
It was fun. If it didn't work, it was still fun.
Oh, goodness. Still didn't do anything. You just made a hole.
After some fun on the Argo, the sun finally decided to come back out. Jen took our truck to pick up some hay for the goats. Baxter and Ray are going for a little walk. They love to play in our deer fence area. Our chickens aren't so sure of the snow, but they love to hang out in the warm greenhouse.
Katie, come over the chickens.
Nearly every weekday at 4:30, we watch Jeopardy. At least Katie and I do. When the girls were younger, I agreed to pay them $1 for every question they got correct. As of recently, Katie has really been cashing in, and I may need to change those terms. Working from home has its benefits. I can set my own hours to some degree, which is nice, but I also do end up working a lot more or just unusual hours throughout the day on and off. Time to eat dinner. We were gifted an Instapot for Christmas. This was our first time using it, and it worked out great. We were able to brown some meatballs and then quickly pressure cook them to perfection. We look forward to cooking some larger roast with this. The girls are on break from school. It's New Year's Eve, so we're having a little family game night.
I'm Katie. Alyssa.
I'm gonna change your voice.
Billie Eilish.
She doesn't want to be on any of the videos, so that's why she's gonna have this big blur over her face.
Look at the other person's cards, though.
Alright, let's do this.
We probably should too. Okay, she's gonna start. It's gonna break. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Haley?
Emma, I mean Billy, was not hurt. The chair, however, needs some repairs. Why did you have to get up and walk around while we're playing a game? Now you understand why she doesn't want to appear on camera? We ended up playing Uno and then Taboo. Katie and I won Taboo.
What?
Happy 2020, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please, please, please leave a comment, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.